Hi, boys and girls. For this activity, we are going to be sorting animals by their characteristics. The materials you're going to need for this activity are the fur, feathers, and scales sorting cards and your iPad. If you don't have those items, pause the video and go and get them now. Welcome back. Now that you have all the materials, let's go ahead and get them ready for our sort. I found the heading cards that say fur, feathers, and scales, and I set those up so they're ready for the other cards to go under them that I'm sorting. I made a little pile of all the little cards of all the animals that I'm going to sort. Go ahead and get your cards organized. Pause the video if you need a little bit more time. All right, welcome back. The first picture I have of an animal is a mouse. So I want to think in my head, what type of a skin covering does a mouse have? Does a mouse have fur, feathers, or scales? I know this one. A mouse has fur. So I'm going to move the mouse under the heading of fur. Then I'm going to do the next card. The next card is an eagle. Does an eagle have fur, feathers, or scales? An eagle has feathers. So I'm going to put an eagle right under the feathers. Boys and girls, you're going to continue this with the rest of the cards. Remember the heading titles say fur, feathers, scales. Set your timer for 10 minutes and continue to sort the cards under the titles of what type of skin the animals have. When you're done, take a picture or a video on Seesaw to let your teacher know what you have learned.